Allegroni's here at Dorchester Heights restoring both the monument and the National Park in South Boston. This project represents for Allegroni about 10 years of historical restoration work. We're able to really showcase both our monument and masonry experience as well as our overall site and general construction work. So a project like this really does take trying to make a team atmosphere at the overall job site. We have more than 12 different subcontractors working together. We're in a very limited site in downtown South Boston, and making everything work requires a lot of logistics and teamwork.
What's been really unique about this project is the harmony between all of the contractors. I have routine meetings with the National Park Service, and they're extraordinarily pleased with what's going on here. They're thrilled.
We've been able to handle this project by bringing some of our best people to the front and center, both through the masonry component of it as well as the general site construction. Our ability to do both structures and site work has really been culminated on this one site.